Dr. Raifya's sent me their septic tank treatment. Check this out. This little thing has little packets you will literally be able to treat your septic tank with. We do have one right here. I've got a lot of catch or a lot of openings here so I can literally see how my septic tank is doing, but I am not going to go through here. I don't have to, and that's the beauty of this. You can do this right in your bathroom. So this is how it works. This little product has a packet full of enzymes, full of like organic enzymes that will create this really nice environment for your septic tank to get itself clean, to prevent those nasty odors as well, and just get it running properly, right? This is super important for septic tanks. One packet will be good enough for a 1,500-gallon septic tank. If yours is bigger, use a little bit more, obviously. Check this out. This is what it looks like. It has kind of a smell. Obviously, it's almost like an organic, earthy smell. And this packet, all of this will literally dissolve. 1 per month is what is usually recommended. And all you do is literally drop it in, and you don't even have to wait. You could literally just flush the toilet right now. I am going to wait just a little bit because I like it when it kind of like just, completely opens up. And you can see the sides right now opening up and kind of like, dissipating that kind of like product in here. And the other cool thing with the actual bottle or the packaging right here is on this side here, you can actually track your monthly tracking, right? So right now we're in September. I would say, yep, I've done September, and I'd go on and on with different months. So I always know where I am at, which is great. Look at this right now. We are going to, this is definitely ready to go. And there you go. It's going to take care of clogs or all that organic matter that can maybe clog your pipes and your septic. It's going to make everything just, run a lot smoother. This is fantastic.